everyone, we have finally made it to Boston, Massachusetts. We got here around 3, 4-ish something. So we're gonna go eat something, then we're gonna go take a little tour of Boston, Massachusetts. We don't have that much time here today because of the storm, but nonetheless, we're gonna go see what we can see, and I'm gonna take you along with me to see what you can see in a couple of hours while in Boston, if you guys ever come here. And then tomorrow I'm gonna take you guys to Salem. So let's go without further ado. Alright friends, so we are in the Cambridge part of Boston, Massachusetts. We're about to hit up Veggie Galaxy and see what they have to eat. I'm going to take you guys along with me, but I'm doing a whole separate video on all the restaurants that I eat at in New England. So make sure you guys check out that video, subscribe down below. Alright, let's go see what they have to eat. So you have to order with a QR code, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. Mira, y ahí abren, have the full menu. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what we're gonna get, and I'll show you guys in a little bit. Okay, so we got the Reuben sandwich, potato salad with a side salad, mac and cheese bites. My mother got some strawberry French toast that's stuffed with cream cheese, and then also this quesadilla. What is this? Carne asada? Sí. Carne asada quesadilla with coleslaw. So we're gonna go ahead and try everything, and I'll let you guys know how everything was.
That's the Reuben?
Mac and cheese. Alright friends, we've eaten. Now we're gonna go see a couple of spots. Let me take you guys with me. We're gonna go ahead and start with Harvard University. Sí.